Hello everyone, this is Moshe the Electric Israeli. Happy New Year. I'm recording this video on New Year, driving my Tesla to pick up my son from a New Year party. Anyway, let's not go there. First of all, I want to thank all of my subscribers and viewers for all your support in year 2018 and looking forward to another great year 2019. Your support means a lot to me. Your comments, subscribing, Patreons, thank you for your donations. They are incredibly helpful to me and to my channel. So please, I ask you to become my patron. You can also go to my awesome clothing store and get some Electric Israeli swag. I got it for all my sons. So please do that. Your support is amazing and helpful and needed. Today's video is something that intrigues me so much in the past few weeks since Elon Musk tweet about the Tesla Model Y. I put a video a couple of weeks ago with a lot of views, over 10,000 views I think, for the Tesla Model Y and a Tesla truck. And I was wondering what will be the reservation numbers when Tesla Model Y goes up. According to the Elon Musk tweets and plans, there will be an announcement in the spring of 2019, and then hopefully by 2020 it will be deliveries. Imagine if they do that $1,000 deposit for Tesla Model Y. Tesla Model 3, which is a sedan, which Americans don't drive anymore, don't buy anymore. Look what GM, Ford, and Chrysler don't stop making them. If a sedan got 500,000 reservation, I know some of them are around the world, but I can tell you the 120,000 plus Model 3s that were already delivered are in the United States and some in Canada. And remember, Americans do not drive sedans anymore. Within 5 years, you will not be able to buy it American made. Okay, nobody makes them and nobody buys them. Americans drive trucks, SUVs, and small SUVs. Okay, so a Tesla Model Y and a Tesla truck, in my opinion, and that's conservative, will get at least 1 million reservations in America only. Forget Europe for a second. They'll get it later. I am telling you that actually my wife told me that. He said to me, Moshe, I'm telling you, this will get 1 million reservations, at least in America at the beginning. And if they can produce and deliver, then we saw what happened with the with the Model 3 production hell. If they can make a plan and execute it, this will be the biggest auto revolution since Model T. Already what Tesla is doing now with the electric cars and the supercharging network is a biggest revolution since Model 3. Imagine that. That will be compounded. So you tell me, what do you think? Will they get 1 million? I say 1 million will be a small number, but I'll start on 1 million. Will Tesla dare to do that? Dare to take reservations? That's interesting. I mean, you take that money, you are committed to produce and deliver. I mean, Tesla almost got out of business this last year, 2018, because they spent so much money getting ready for producing and delivering Model 3s. So will they just make the plans without taking reservations? Or will they go for it and take the reservations? That is a big risk, man. Big risk. Let me know what you think. Thank you again for watching. Thank you for awesome 2018. Looking forward for 2019. Don't forget, subscribe and like and share. Help me change the world one electric car at a time. Please support this channel by becoming a patron and or shop on the Electric Israeli store. See you tomorrow, guys.